A rubber slip mat not only solves the issue of the felt mat sticking, but it also cuts down on static electricity buildup so you can listen to your records for longer. So in researching this, I ended up discovering that alternative slip mats can also modify the acoustic signature of your turntable. For example, a rubber slip mat, which I really like, gives that low end a bit of extra punch and makes the music sound a bit deeper. There are other styles of slip mats or even plates you can get, like acrylic or cork. Feel free to experiment, as these are relatively affordable to purchase and try out. Links to a few in the description below.